What's up guys, my name is Ashraf Khan and you're watching Strike and Pocket Carrom Learning English YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the aiming technique in Carrom. So it is one of the basic and foundation of your game. You know, some people what they do, they don't use any aiming technique, they play Carrom subconsciously. But what will happen, at the end of the game, maybe at the crucial situation, at the winning movement, at the losing movement, at the do or die situation, what will happen, they have to play Carrom consciously and they are not used to of it. They only play Carrom subconsciously, and whenever they try to play Carroms consciously, they can feel it that we are doing something wrong and they don't have the clarity that time. So that's the reason they feel more pressure that time. If your aiming technique is correct, you can tackle any situation because you are identifying point of contact first and hitting that Carrom. So yes, aiming technique you must have to follow if you want to become a good player, pro player and professional Carrom player. So it is your foundation. So for aiming technique, what you have to do is, you have to look at the pocket first. You have to look at the pocket. You have to draw an imaginary line from the pocket. You have to draw an imaginary line from the pocket. You have to extend that imaginary line from the center of the Carrom, and then you will get that point of contact. Then you will get that point of contact, and identifying the point of contact is called as aiming technique, you can say. You have to identify the point of contact before playing. So yes, look at the pocket, draw an imaginary line from the pocket, extend it from the center of the Carrom, and you will get the point of contact. You can take body position and you can hit that point of contact. Again, look at the pocket, draw an imaginary line from the pocket, extend that line from the center of the Carrom, and you will get the point of contact and you can hit that point of contact. It is your aiming technique in the Carrom. Sometimes if we get the position like this, what we have to do, you have to look at like this with the one eye. If you see like this with the one eye, you can see that completely you will get that this Carrom is going or not. So you can take decision whether you have to play this Carrom straight or not. So this is going, and if it is like here, so you can again see this one is not going. So this one is not going. So this is how you can use whenever you get confusion in between this Carrom is in your way or not. This is how you can use this technique. So again, this is not going. So this is how you can use this technique. With the one eye you can see. Sometimes we get the position like this as well, and that time also we need to see that this Carrom is going or not. This is going. Identify the point of contact and hit the striker is the secret. Identify the point of contact and hit the striker is the secret of playing no miss. And if you are not looking at the point of contact and you are playing, so at the end, any Carrom you can miss, and at the crucial situation you will feel pressure. So this is how I experienced in my past days, and now I am using the proper aiming technique for playing Carrom. So that's it in this video. I hope you guys found this one useful for you. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to this channel so that you will get the notifications of each and every new videos from this channel, and we are uploading only Carrom coaching content on this channel. And please share this video with each and everyone who have the need and who want to learn the Carrom. Stay blessed, stay focused, keep playing and keep loving Carrom. Bye bye, see you in the next one.